Hello guys, this is serious, very serious. Are you looking for a modern microwave, modern oven? Shop with us. CK Kitchen Appliances is here to satisfy your need. Yes. Behind me here, there's a microwave and oven. Both are smart. Both are very big. Let's start with microwave. If you want to open the microwave, man, here it is. It's 25 liters, and this microwave uses a 320 plate. Yani ile plate mzima. This plate can hold up to 20 people. Ugali ya 20 people unaweza chemsha at once. This one is a 320 plate, large. It enters here. The same time, this microwave you can use to grill, to roast your meat. Yes. Yes. Let's still talk about this microwave. If I close like that, you can see the outer is very black. Black is beauty. Black is beautiful. Black is pure. Black is mwah. This microwave has an off and on button. Reason to reduce the consumption of power. Don't keep your microwave 24 hours. It's on. It's on. Yes. This microwave has a child lock over there. This microwave has a child lock. This microwave has a self-cleaning. Microwave, it can sense there's a dust. Itakuitisha self-cleaning. You just press the self-cleaning. Ita collect vitu zote ukuje utole kwa sahani hapo. Yes, if you want to close it just like that, and you close your microwave. This reduce the consumption of power so that steam isikue more. Let's talk about the oven down here. You can take a look of it. This oven is 65 liters. This oven has 9 functions. 9 functions. This oven has a grill part, rotisserie, sawa. This one is the rotisserie I'm talking about. Hii ni ya kugrill. Hii ni ya kuchoma nyama, kuchoma kitu kama kuku, rabbits, etc. Yes. This microwave, this oven is 65 liters, black in color. It's smart, as you can see over there. Yes. Thank you. Welcome.